All right, new level unlocked. I made my own DIY feather hair crochet. Look how I went from this to this. Follow me in this video. How to make my own human hair crochet, the feather crochet. Look at this. So I've been testing them out in my own hair. So I made a few. All right, so what I used and what you might want to use is the weaving bond glue, or what is it called? Y'all know what it is, the bonding glue that we used to use for weaves back in the day, still use for a quick weave. As you know, if you've been watching my channel, I had some human hair come in from Amazon, so I still had that braiding hair. So I used that to test it out, test out my method. So I'm breaking up my human hair bundles into smaller pieces, dipping it into the bonding glue. I twirl it around a little bit in my fingers, and then I'm going to use my flat iron. So you'll need a flat iron. So I just try to bond it all together. Then I'm going to twirl it again, or twist it between my pointer finger and thumb, and then cut it any excess piece of hair here. And then I'm going to use my sewing thread. So I already have them cut into, I want to say about 1 inch maybe of thread, sewing thread that you would use for a weave. And so I'm folding it in folding it in half rather. So the bond is going to be a little stronger. And what I'm doing now is just making sure that it's even on the ends. I'm dipping it also into the bonding glue. And now I'm attaching it to the hair that I created. So that piece of hair, and then putting my flat iron to it to bond the thread and the hair together. And then I'm going to twist it together. So I could have stopped right here and had, of course, a piece of crochet hair. But I want it to be a little more full. So I'm going to add another piece of hair on the other end. And I'm going to dip this side into the bonding glue as well, and then another piece of hair. So that is basically how I made my own feather crochet. I absolutely love this style. I will probably eventually go buy some hair, but was feeling creative with this process. It is very time consuming. So if you're going to jump into this process, make sure you have time to get all your hair, all your pieces done. But like I said, I was feeling creative and wanting to try this out myself since I've been seeing this all over my timeline lately, and just went for it. So feeling pretty good about it as well. And it's reusable. So whenever I want to take the hair off of the thread, I could take it off, wash it off, and go from there. All right, the next thing I did was part my natural hair. So I'm doing those miracle locks, or miracle, whatever y'all calling it now. It's still boho to me. So I parted my natural hair, and then now I'm attaching my crochet hair pieces to the ends of my hair. I'm sealing it off with my flat iron because I do have the glue on the crochet pieces, so I'm kind of just bonding it all together so I have some closure at the end. Feeling good about this hair. I was like, oh, this is cute if I would have left it just like that, but I wanted to be a little more filled in, so I made some more pieces and then just started filling it in from the tops and then throughout the braids. So yeah, of course, if you buy the hair, you have, so much hair, but I was, like I said before, being creative with this and just wanted to see how it was going to come out. But I absolutely love it. I will say, if you're going to try this and you're using the bonding glue, just be mindful of the glue because sometimes it'll stick together. So once you just pull it apart a little bit, then the hair is fine. Here I am just styling it up, spraying some water on it. I'm not using any mousse. I'm just going to use some As I Am leave-in conditioner on the hair. I don't want it to be sticky. So yeah, that's why I'm using just the conditioner. I love this style. I love that I didn't have to use synthetic hair. I had tried this out on my mom last year, but our technique was not there yet. So we went on vacation. But now that I have a better technique down, yeah, we about to be doing this style all the time. So I tried it out myself just to be a little more creative. Like I said before, I'm styling. So I used As I Am leave-in conditioner. I sprayed it with some oil sheen, and now I'm just slicking my edges back. I don't like doing all the swirly edges and all that. I just like it to be smooth. So I'm just putting some edge control just to control the edges. All right, and so brushing it back, feeling good about it. I think it came out super cute. What do y'all think? Tell me in the comments. Bye.